Welcome to EduAIverse, where technology meets simplicity. Today's topic is AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is transforming the medical world from diagnosis to treatment. AI helps doctors detect diseases like cancer at early stages using advanced imaging tools. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support to patients, answering medical queries and guiding them. Wearable devices track heart rate, oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. AI analyzes this data to detect problems before they become serious. AI also speeds up drug discovery, helping scientists create new medicines faster. In surgeries, robotic systems powered by AI offer precision and safety. So, AI is not replacing doctors, it's supporting them for better decisions and improved care. Stay tuned to EduAIverse as we bring more such useful insights, simplified for everyone. Subscribe now and be part of the smart healthcare revolution.